If you're looking for a fun, full-body workout that's safe for seniors and you can do from home, this 10-minute medicine ball workout is perfect for you. All you need is some space to move and a weighted ball like this one. This one is the 10-pound slam ball from Yes for All, and it's a little bit different than a traditional medicine ball in that it has a textured grip and it's zero bounce, which is perfect for when you slam it down on the ground. We'll get to that exercise in a little bit, but those balls come in various sizes and weights, so I'll put a link down in the description below and just choose the size that's best for you. But let's get started. We'll first start out with a warm-up, and to do that you'll just hold the ball at chest height and march in place. Then we're going to start warming up the upper body by doing overhead presses with the ball. So press the ball up overhead like this, and we'll do about 10 times. Next, we're going to warm up the legs a little bit by going down into a squat. Spread about shoulders width or a little wider apart. Sink your hips back, holding the ball at chest height, and come back up. And we'll do 10 repetitions with this one. Make sure that your knees don't cave inwards. Keep the knees pushed out. You also want to sit back onto your heels, not going forwards onto your toes like that. That'll make it a little bit more comfortable on your knees. Next, we'll move into a side-to-side lunge. And to do this one, you just lean towards one side and towards the other side. You'll feel a nice stretch along the inner thigh when doing this, and it also strengthens your glute muscles, your gluteus medius and gluteus minimus. So we'll go side to side approximately 10 times in each direction. Next, we're going to bring the ball back between your legs and come back up. To see that from a side view, you push the hips back, hips forward, hips back, hips forward. So this is like a sumo deadlift. You're using your hamstrings and glutes to push your hips back and hips forwards. You want to try to keep your spine in a relatively neutral position when doing this. So you don't want to bend at the waist like that. It's more of a hip hinge movement. Hips back, hips forward, hips back, hips forward, hips back, hips forward, and hips back, and hips forward. Now we're going to warm up the trunk a little bit, doing twists from one side to the other. But note, you're not twisting like this. Your lower back really wasn't made to twist a whole lot, so the movement should come from the hips, rotating back and forth like that, as well as your shoulders and upper trunk rotating side to side. So it's a combined twist, 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 twist. The closer you keep the ball to your trunk, the easier it is. If you move it out away from you, it requires a little bit more upper body stability to hold the weight of the ball away from you. And again, we'll go about 10 times in each direction. Now we're going to start doing some combined plane movements. This is called a wood chopper. So take a nice wide stance like this, hold the ball up on one side, and then come down towards the opposite side. So we're going from high on one side to low on the opposite side, kind of like chopping wood. And we'll do about 10 times in each direction. Note that this isn't all spinal movement. You're kind of moving your hips and rotating your hips at the same time. And then we'll go the opposite direction as well, about 10 times. High on one side, rotate up like that. Now note, if you have any pain or don't feel safe doing any of these, then just skip the ones that you don't feel safe doing. Okay, so that was the wood chopper. Now we're going to move to some more fun exercises, because why use a ball if you're not going to throw the ball? So squat down, and you're just going to toss the ball up a little bit and catch it. Toss up and catch it. If it gets too far away from you, just let it hit the ground. You might want to have a mat like that if you're worried about it damaging your floors. But try to toss it vertically to where you can catch it in front of you. Don't toss it above your head. And if it does look like it's going to come down on you, just step out of the way. But keep it right above your hands, ideally. Mini squat as you catch it, and then come back up. So you're using arms and legs together when doing this. So that's the underhand toss. Now we're going to go to more of like a jump shot, but you're going to try to throw it straight up. Not throwing forwards like you're shooting a basket, but just throwing straight up and then back down. Again, try to keep it in front of you. Don't toss it right over your head to where it's going to come down on you like that. So push up like that. Again, a little squat as you catch it and come back up. And again, just do what you feel safe and comfortable doing. Now finally we're going to get into the slam balls. So for this one, you want to come up high on your toes and then come down. So go high up, come down, and then you'll slam the ball on the floor. So up high on your toes and come down. You pick it back up, come up high on your toes and slam down. High on your toes, slam down. High on your toes, slam down. And we'll just repeat that about 10 times or so. I think that's probably pretty close to 10. Then once we're done, we're just going to do a little bit of a stretch and cool down. So put the ball up over your head and stretch to one side. Stretch out the lats over on this side. And then go over to the other side. Stretch out the lats on that side. Next we'll do sort of that hip hinge type of movement. Really push your hips back. Stretch out the hamstrings, glutes, lower back, keeping the weight on your heels, sort of using the ball to counterbalance you, like that. And then if you have the mobility to do this and feel safe and comfortable doing it, put your weight down on the ball like that, and then go into a partial squat and sink down deep if you can. If you can't get this far, just go down as deep as you feel comfortable going and hold it. If you need to come back up and pulse, you can certainly do that. Or if you feel fine just going down into a deep squat, this is a nice way to stretch out your quads. You can also pry out to the side like this with your elbows and stretch out the groin and inner thighs. And again, if you don't feel comfortable going all the way down into a deep squat, just go as far as you can and then use your elbows to pry out like that to stretch out your inner thighs. So that was the 10-minute medicine ball routine for seniors. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of it. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you get notified of my future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.